Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys the easiest way on how to threading this brother machine. You could also apply to other electric sewing machine. So first of all, we need to put this spool in there. So I remove the locking cap, and then after that, I'm gonna put this in. And now we're going to lock this into its place. And I'm going to show you guys on how to make the spool for this bobbin. By the way, there's also a diagram over here. It says insert through this metal clip and then through here, and then you're going to wind it to here. And this is where you're going to put your spool. And it shows you over here 2, 3, 4, okay? On the thread, we're going to put it to this metal clip right here. As you see the metal clip, it's like a U shape. So you're going to make sure you cut the thread and then loop it right there. And just let it hang. You see the thread? Gotta make sure you hook onto that. Just insert in there. I'm gonna use both hands though. Okay? Just like that. I'm gonna loop it here. Okay? Okay, just like that. Loop it like this. And we're gonna loop around that middle circle. Okay, just like that. And this is where we're gonna, this is where we're gonna loop your bobbin. All right, so I'm gonna put the bobbin in there. And then we're gonna loop around a couple times. And we're going to insert the thread over here on the bottom, and then it's going to cut itself into that gap. All you need to do is just pull it, and then there you go, you got cut. We're going to turn on the machine. Actually, we need to put this bobbin to the right. And then now it's gonna spin. I'm gonna turn on the machine. And then we're gonna press the foot pedal. And it's gonna make the spool for you. And then that's it. Gonna put it right out. Gonna cut it. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys on how to thread the machine. Alright, so the thread is gonna loop here. Over here, all the way down. You see number 2, and it's gonna go in here. You're gonna go up again to this side, and you see number 4. Make sure you pull the thread to the left. It's gonna hook up to the metal right there. Has to be on the left side of the metal piece right there. You're gonna go down, number 5, and after that, you're gonna go put the thread onto here, and we're gonna use this special threading to insert your thread through the needle. So it's like a U, okay? Good. Go in under it and then pull it up. And right here, you need to go to the left side of the metal clip. See, it's gonna go up. Okay. Then you're gonna loop through this metal bracket right here. The thread has gone in here. Like that. And then now we're gonna use this one. Loop it like that. And this has to be up. So make sure the needle has to be up, okay? Or else it's not gonna allow you to insert. Okay, now I went through. You see? Now you gotta pull it out. That's it. Okay, I want to show you one more time. You're gonna loop the thread on top, and then it's gonna be like this. Make sure your thread is horizontal to that clip that is gonna catch it. And then there you go. Go through. You only did the part 1. Part 2 is to open this for the bobbin. Make sure the spool has to be this way, okay? Don't put it in when it's this way. He also show you right here on the diagram. And just push this in. And there's a loop right here. Your thread has to go in there. And then loop around here. And then you're gonna cut it. There's a blade right here. There's a blade right here. It's gonna cut your thread. And then we're gonna put this cover back. Now we will need to press the needle down. Try to catch that thread. Let's see if it's gonna catch it. There you go. So make sure you pull the thread out of the way. You see the thing is spinning? I'm gonna pull the thread. And then now you can sew. Okay? Make sure you put the feet down and get ready to sew. By the way, this one is the J foot. It's a slow speed, mid, and then high. And you could select your pattern here, okay? Let's say we want to use 20 plus 2. And it also show you what kind of hook. This is J hook. If you try different other one, number 30, which is this one, you need to change the end foot, okay? And then in 40 is the A foot. 50 and again, as you could go up and down, 56 or whatever. I'm gonna go back to 20. And that's it. So yeah, anyway, hopefully this will help you guys out. And at first when I was using the machine, I didn't know that self-threading was so easy. At first I was using my saliva with the thread and try to insert this was so much difficult. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.